Okay, so this video is for how to install SQL Server 2019 in our system. So for this, we will just write download SQL Server 2019 in the Chrome and hit enter. Make sure that you download it from the Microsoft official website. So here we have Microsoft official website. So we will get two options here. One is Developer Edition, another one is Express Edition. So Developer Edition, you can read it here. So will be full feature free edition. I will download the Express Edition. Click here to download. I have done it already. So I will jump into the download file. This is the setup. Just double click on it and open it. It will ask the direct administrator rights. So I will have this. So yeah. So here we will get three options: basic, custom, and download media. Download media will download the whole SQL Server setup file for installation in the offline mode. In basic, it will install the whole taking the default path and default configuration setup. In the custom, you can choose which path you want to install and all the setup according to your requirement. So we will choose the custom one. So this is the path where the SQL Server will be downloaded. So SQL Server downloaded target location. This location, I am fine with it. Go ahead and install. So it will take a minute and to download. So here you have to choose the SQL Server standalone installation. Click on it. Okay. Click next. So all are checked. Ignore the window firewall and click next. Accept the license. Click next. Okay. So we have to check all the features. We have all the features here. We have to check all those features only which we need here. We don't need machine learning services. So uncheck it, this one, and rest. Make sure that database engine services is. So this will have all the all the core services, including storing and processing and securing data. So make sure this one is checked. Okay. SQL Server application for text and semantic extraction. Okay, I'm fine with this. And you can change the location, instance root directories. So I'm fine with it. You can change according to your requirement. Next. So here we have the instance name. I'm installing this for the first time, so I got this name SQL Express. You can change it according to your requirement, but I will keep it as it is. So next. Next. Press next. So here we have window authentication mode. As of now, I will select this window authentication mode. You can choose the SQL mixed authentication, SQL Server authentication, and window authentication. So we need SQL Server authentication that we will configure later once this installation is completed. Just press next. Click window authentication mode and select next. It will take minutes. Fast forward the video. The installation is complete. So you will find the logs here, and we can see the installation complete detail is there. Everything is successfully installed. Okay, close it. Now we will download the SQL Server Studio Server Management tool. So if you haven't installed it, click on it. You will be redirected to this website. So you can download it from here. Just click here, SQL Server Management Studio. Save it. Launch. Location. So here we have it's downloaded. Click on it. Yes. Okay. So I'm okay with this part. If you want to change, you can change. So okay, click install. So we have installed the studio over SQL Server, SQL database. So once this installation is done, we'll try to connect over database. Let's close this windows. You can password review. So we have completed, the installation is completed successfully. So you can close this. Close this view. Okay. Close this. And you can close this as well. So the installation is done. Now try it. So here we have SQL Server Management Studio. Open it. So you can see this is the server name. Here we have. Okay. And we have already chose window authentication. So we will connect it. So you can see we got the connection. Okay. So right now we have to create a user so that we can log in via that user through that user. So you can go to the properties, right click on it and go to the properties. Click on the security, and here you can see the server authentication is window authentication mode. Here we can choose SQL Server and window authentication mode and press OK. Okay, click OK. So we have, okay, so we have enabled the SQL Server authentication. Now let's add a user. Here we have the security logins. So you can see all the logins. Right click on it and create a new login. Write login name. Use root. SQL Server authentication. Password is root and root. So you can choose the stronger password. I have used this as we will use it in that one local. So we have used it root, but you can follow the password policies. So I will uncheck it. And all good. The database is master. Master is the root or database. So master. Okay. And press OK. So we have the installation and configuration ready. Now I have just restart and restart the server after you set it for SQL Server security. After you enable the SQL Server SQL Server authentication and window authentication, make sure that you restart this once. Click yes. Once this is restarted, click this icon and connect it with user, the login user we have created. So select SQL Server Authentication, user login, root. We have chosen root, and our password is root as well. So again, remember password and connect. Here the database, here the user got connected. So the installation and configuration is completed. Thank you.